100 innovative business gadgets to sell. Cloud-based project visualization tool. Helps teams visualize project progress in real time, improving communication and planning. Wireless file transfer stick. This device transfers files between devices without the internet or cables, making it ideal for secure or remote file sharing. Blockchain secure storage. Provides tamper-proof storage for digital files, using blockchain, to ensure data integrity and security. Smart whiteboard. This interactive whiteboard connects to cloud services, allowing real-time collaboration across locations. Users can draw, write, and import data seamlessly. Augmented reality sandbox. This technology projects digital information onto physical objects, making it useful for the design and education sectors. Cloud-based inventory management. Tool streamlines inventory tracking and order processing, ideal for businesses with multiple sales channels. Virtual reality design software. Allows designers to create and modify projects in a virtual environment, streamlining the design process. Portable solar charger. Designed for business travelers, this gadget harnesses solar energy to provide renewable power for phones and laptops anywhere. Invisible ink printer. Prints documents that can only be read under UV light, enhancing document security for sensitive communications. Smart pen. Records audio as you take notes and syncs everything to digital devices. Perfect for meetings and lectures. Desktop 3D printer. Perfect for prototyping, this compact 3D printer allows businesses to create and test parts on demand, reducing outsourcing costs. Virtual reality headset. Used for virtual meetings and product demonstrations, it offers immersive experiences that can enhance client engagement and remote collaboration. Smart business card. These cards can transfer contact information to smartphones through NFC technology, making networking seamless and paper-free. Personal assistant device. This voice-activated device schedules meetings, sets reminders, and manages emails through AI, boosting productivity. Pressure-sensitive smart mat. This mat detects and records weight and movement, which is proper for security and health monitoring in the workplace. Portable projector. Small enough to fit in a briefcase, it can project presentations or videos anywhere. Ideal for impromptu meetings outside the office. Wireless charging desk pad. This desk pad organizes your workspace and charges compatible devices wirelessly, keeping gadgets powered up. Biometric security stick plus. Enhances security for remote workers by requiring a fingerprint to access secured files. Protecting sensitive information. Smart leak detector. This device prevents water damage by detecting leaks early, which is essential for maintaining office facilities. Digital note taker. Captures handwritten notes electronically as you write on paper, perfect for those who prefer traditional note-taking but need digital records. Automated video conferencing camera. Follows the speaker around the room during video calls, ensuring they are always in frame, enhancing remote communication. Dual-screen portable monitor. Expands your laptop screen by adding a second monitor, which enhances multitasking. This is for personal use at a desk, ensuring confidential information is securely destroyed immediately. Mobile app creator tool. This tool allows businesses to build mobile apps without coding skills. empowering them to reach customers through mobile platforms. Interactive touchscreen monitor enhances customer interaction with touch capabilities, useful for retail or information kiosks. Desk organizer with smart feature. This organizer includes built-in speakers, a mini fridge, and smart device integration to keep your workspace tidy and functional. Wearable camera for hands-free recording. Useful for documenting processes or creating live demonstrations without interrupting your workflow. Ultra-fast external SSD. This SSD offers lightning-fast data transfer speeds, which are crucial for handling large files and backups. Wireless document scanner. This scanner scans documents directly to the cloud or a mobile device, facilitating paperless operations and easier document management. Privacy screen for monitors. Prevents people from viewing your screen from the side, safeguarding sensitive information in public or open office settings. Fitness desk bike. Allows you to exercise while working, promoting health and productivity through physical activity. USB conference microphone. This microphone captures high-quality audio in all directions. Perfect for group discussions and virtual meetings. E-ink display tags for retail. Replaces traditional price tags with digital ones that can be updated instantly, reducing labor and paper waste. Heat-sensitive coffee table. This table changes color with heat, creating an interactive and fun focal point in office lounges or waiting areas. Health monitoring smartwatch. This device tracks health metrics such as heart rate and stress levels, helping employees manage their health at work. Smart lock for laptops. Uses biometrics to secure laptops, protecting them from unauthorized access in public spaces. Smart file management software. Uses AI to organize files and emails efficiently, saving time on administrative tasks. Portable Wi-Fi router. This device ensures a secure and stable internet connection while traveling, which is crucial for remote work. Stand-up desk converter plus. For better posture, this is adjustable so you can stand up. Thermal imaging camera for smartphones. This camera helps with building maintenance by detecting heat leaks and electrical hotspots. Laser projection keyboard. This device projects a full-size keyboard onto any flat surface, providing a practical input option for mobile devices. UV sanitizing wand. This tool quickly sanitizes office equipment like keyboards and phones, keeping the workspace germ-free. Smart glasses. Display notifications, take photos, and even assist with navigation, all while looking stylish. Desktop air purifier. This device improves air quality at your desk, reducing allergens and pollutants. Essential for maintaining a healthy work environment. High-resolution webcam. Delivers crisp video for webinars and virtual meetings, ensuring professional presentations. Voice-controlled smart outlet. This outlet controls devices via voice commands, integrating with smart home assistants to automate office appliances. Bluetooth tracker for office equipment. Attaches items like keys or folders, allowing you to find them quickly with your smartphone. Smart project management software. Coordinates projects, tracks progress, and optimizes team collaboration. Electronic label maker. This tool creates professional labels for files, shelves, and equipment, aiding organization and efficiency. Augmented reality sandbox. This technology projects digital information onto physical objects, making it useful for the design and education sectors. Self-sanitizing door handles. Uses UV light to sanitize surfaces, reducing the spread of germs in high-traffic areas. Smart coffee maker. This can be programmed and controlled via smartphone, ensuring fresh coffee is always ready during breaks. Dynamic sit-stand workstation. Adjusts height automatically based on your schedule and preferences, fostering an ergonomic work environment. Hands-free shoe cover dispenser. This device allows visitors to cover their shoes, maintaining cleanliness, especially in sanitary environments. Automatic cord winder. This device eliminates tangled cords at your workstation, simplifying cable management and keeping the space neat. Gesture-controlled drone for deliveries plus. This drone streamlines internal deliveries within large corporate campuses or warehouses using hand gestures. OLED transparent display. Displays videos or presentations on a transparent screen, blending seamlessly into the office environment. Smart water bottle. Regularly tracks your water intake and syncs with fitness apps to maintain health metrics. Reminds you to drink lots of water. Automated plant watering system. Keeps office plants hydrated based on moisture level sensors, ensuring a green and vibrant workspace. Mini CNC machine. This machine allows for precise cutting and engraving of materials and is valid for customizing promotional materials and prototypes. Modular smartphone. This type of smartphone lets you swap out components like cameras or batteries to customize it for specific business tasks. Self-cleaning water cooler. This water cooler utilizes UV technology to automatically clean itself, ensuring health and safety in communal areas. Smart badge holder. This holds ID badges and tracks their location within the office, which is helpful for security and logistics in extensive facilities. Flexible OLED screens. Can be bent or rolled, offering new possibilities for mobile presentations and dynamic displays. RFID asset tracking system. Tracks assets within the office, automating inventory management and preventing loss. Intelligent heating and cooling jacket. This jacket automatically adjusts its temperature based on external conditions. Ideal for employees in varying climates. Mobile app testing device. Simulates different mobile environments for testing apps, ensuring functionality across various devices and systems. Robotic process automation software. Saves time, giving way to more critical tasks. Automates repetitive tasks. Adjustable lighting system. This system tailors lighting conditions to the time of day or specific tasks, enhancing productivity and comfort. Smart vehicle fleet tracker. Monitors fleet vehicles. Improves logistics and reduces operational costs. Pressure-sensitive smart mat. This mat detects and records weight and movement, which is proper for security and health monitoring in the workplace. High-speed document camera. This camera captures detailed images of documents in seconds, streamlining the digitization of paper records. Remote-controlled window shades. This allows natural light and reduces energy costs. You could use the remote control to adjust the Windows settings. Wearable stress and fatigue monitor. This device tracks biometric data to monitor employee stress and fatigue levels, promoting well-being. Voice translator device. Offers real-time translation for multiple languages, is essential for international business communication. E-ink display tags for retail. Replaces traditional price tags with digital ones that can be updated instantly, reducing labor and paper waste. Interactive customer feedback tool. This tool captures and analyzes customer feedback in real time. Biodegradable phone cases. Made from eco-friendly materials, these phone cases degrade naturally, aligning with green business practices. Smart light bulbs. Controlled by an app to adjust brightness and color, improving mood and energy efficiency. Heat-sensitive coffee table. This table changes color with heat, creating an interactive and fun focal point in office lounges or waiting areas. Digital business magazine subscription. Provides the latest industry news and trends directly to your tablet or smartphone. Fostering continual learning and innovation. AI-powered SEO tool. Analyzes website performance and automatically suggests optimizations to improve search engine rankings. Virtual reality design software. Allows designers to create and modify projects in a virtual environment, streamlining the design process. Automated external defibrillator aid with training mode. This aid provides life-saving capabilities and includes a training mode for office emergency preparedness. Smart electric meter. This device monitors and manages electricity usage with detailed analytics, promoting energy efficiency in office buildings. Ergonomic footrest. Improves posture and comfort while sitting for long periods, reducing leg and back strain. Interactive globes for education and business. Facilitates learning and discussion about geograph and global business environments. Integrating with digital content. Smart ventilation system. This system monitors air quality and adjusts airflow automatically, maintaining a healthy and comfortable office environment. Desktop laser engraver. But this device personalizes office supplies and gift, adding a unique touch to business branding. Modular office furniture. This is easily reconfigurable furniture that adapts to various office layouts and team sizes, enhancing flexibility. Wearable body cameras for security personnel. These cameras record interactions and incidents, enhancing safety and accountability. Smart leak detector. This device prevents water damage by detecting leaks early, which is essential for maintaining office facilities. Digital receipt management system. His system digitizes and organizes receipts, simplifying expense reporting and financial tracking. Ultra-fast external SSD. This SSD offers lightning-fast data transfer speeds, which are crucial for handling large files and backups. Smart business wear. This wear includes sensors to track posture and UV exposure, encouraging healthy habits among employees. All these innovative business gadgets encourages more engaging and sustainable working environment.